this is how we try for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this I'm going to show you how you can delete any application from your iMac, MacBook Pro or any other version. In this case I have downloaded some app from App Store. I want to delete this app, for example Affinity Publisher 2. So you have to go to Launchpad. You have to search what is this app is. So here we go. I have to hold this one and drag to the bin. Then you say, are you want to delete the application Affinity Publisher? Hit delete. Very simple procedure. I go out and searching option, I put Affinity Publisher. Only some code is up here. So very simple. In the Launchpad, you have to hold and drag and drop that application. They tell you yes or no. Very simple, guys. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.